Nothing like your smile in the morning.
Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a little bit of planting. I picked up some flowers to get the pots ready for summer. Didn't quite get what I was planning, but we're going to make it work with what I did get. So I am going to show you what I got and kind of maybe explain a little bit of what I'm going to do, and then we're going to get started on getting them planted. All right, so here's what I'm working with. We got some lavender because I like this by the back door. It kind of helps with mosquitoes. And then I got some of these Johnny Rockets for the pots. I got this hanging plant this year. They didn't have my silver falls. I have a tiny sprig that looks like it might come back, so hopefully that's the case, but here's what these ones are. I'm not gonna try to pronounce these. And then some more vinca, because I liked that last year and that did really well. And then I'll show you the name of this one because, again, can't pronounce it very well. But pretty much all of these are full sun plants, which is what I need for this area. So I think we're going to start over here with the big pot first. And I've already kind of roughed some of the soil up. But this is a tiny bit of my silver falls that seems to have survived. So we'll see if it comes back, but I'm going to plant the other two over on the sides in case it does. So, and then we have these pots. This is my old lavender. I'm just going to end up throwing it out because it didn't survive. But I'll probably do a bigger plant in here, and then these will just be vincas. But let's get started with the pot.
Following the linings on your cheeks, 'cause baby in your absence life is boring, so I'll never leave. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as years go by. It's easier to love, oh, oh, easier to love, oh, oh. There's nothing like the way that you adore me. I can feel love from miles away. And the light in your eyes tells me stories of life in a more perfect place where I wanna stay. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as years go by. It's easier to love, oh, oh, easier to love, oh, oh. If the sky is falling down on me, you'll be the one that's by my side to lift away from me. And if I find myself in reckless days, you'll be the one to pull me back into reality. Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. 'Cause baby in your absence life is boring, so I'll never leave. It's easier to love, oh, oh. It's easier to love, oh, oh. Easier to love, oh, oh. Easier to love. in the perfect weather. I just wanna run away with you. I just wanna run away with you. Don't you wanna know that the time's changing? Don't you wanna know that the ride is yours? Don't you wanna roll away? Don't you wanna roll? It's on you to decide if something changes. Say bye, 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 bye. When you're stuck in chains, well, nothing changes. I just wanna run away with you. I said now I just wanna run away with you. Don't you wanna know that the time's changing? Don't you wanna know that the ride is yours? Don't you wanna roll away? Don't you wanna roll? Don't you wanna lie by the ocean and glide to the places above? Don't you wanna roll away? Don't you wanna roll? I'll go where the wind goes, and I'll go where the wind goes. Don't you wanna know that the time's changing? Don't you wanna know that the ride is yours? Don't you wanna roll away? Don't you wanna roll? Don't you wanna lie by the ocean? Lie to the places above. Don't you wanna roll away? Don't you wanna know? Don't you wanna roll away?
So that was my little outdoor planting escapade. I know it's short, but I wanted to get this done so it looked pretty out here, and now I can decorate for 4th of July because you're going to see that before this. But I wanted the pots planted so they look pretty. So it's short, but I hope you enjoyed, and as always, I hope everybody has a blessed day.